Hey guys, Pandora here, and I'm back with a new makeup tutorial. And I'm going to start with a primer from Airborne. Foundation choice for today is KATVOND LOCKIT in the shade Neutral 45, and I'm using the Sigma 3D HD Kabuki brush. For the brow, I'm using BHCOSMETICS Studio Pro Waterproof Brow Pomade in the shade Brunette with Studio Pro brush in the number 13. As eye primer today, I'm going to be using the LOCKIT Cream Concealer from KATVOND in the number Neutral 5. All over my crease, I'm going to be using loose pigment from Naked Cosmetics in the shade DE06, and I'm just tapping it in at first and then buffing it out the edges for a smoother transition. To intensify the crease, I went in with a rosette from Sigma Neutral palette and applied it all over my crease to where I want the cut be more sharp and give it a little bit more dimension. To highlight my brow bone, I'm using the MN01 from Naked Cosmetics. To cut the crease, I'm using a LOCKIT concealer and a flat brush, and I'm just slowly applying it all over my eyelid. And I'm topping it with a Naked Cosmetics in the shade MN01. Since I'm using with pigments, the fallouts are inevitable, so keep that in mind. To create this beautiful green eyeliner, I mixed in the DM Color Fix and Naked Cosmetics in the shade MN04. And with liquid pen eyeliner in the shade Wicked from Sigma Beauty, I'm tracing a black line along the eyelashes. This way it will hide the lashes band when we're gonna put it on. And with NYX glitter, I decided to bring it up a notch and add a little extra sheen to the eyeliner. For the eyelashes, I'm using Model 21 lashes in the number 2749. For the under eye, I'm using the same shade as I used on the crease from the Naked Cosmetics, the pigment in the shade DE06. To add a little bit more drama to the look, I decided to add some eyeliner, and I'm using the Longwear eyeliner pencil in the shade Wicked from Sigma. Then smoke it out with a rosette from the Warm palette, same from Sigma. Then with a clean brush, I'm buffing the edges for a smoother transition. I went ahead and finished the other eye. Now we're going to be applying the concealer. And for the concealer, I'm using the same LOCKIT Cream Concealer from KATVOND in Neutral 5. And to set it and add a little more coverage, I'm going to set the concealer and foundation with the Golden Beige in the number 11 Even Touch Powder Foundation from MILANI. To contour my face, today I'm using the KATVOND Powder Shade and Light palette with a Sigma Large Angled Contour Brush F40. Blush choice today is the palette from the Lorac Pirate of Caribbean. Highlighter choice for today is my new favorite from Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio in the shade 100 Molten Gold or Fondue. And because I wanted my lipstick to match my eyes, I decided to create my own lipstick, and I mixed the DM Fix with the eyeshadow that I use on the crease, DE06 from Naked Cosmetics. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. I can't wait to see you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a big like. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.